Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anderson from NC LED Nuocai Company. Our factory located in Shenzhen, Guangdong province of China. This is our aging workshop. When we complete our products, this is nearly the finally production step. Aging. It means we will test its quality. It will take about 3 days or so, I think, maybe more. After that, our engineer will approve the quality. Then we will give it our package and ship to our customers, our worldwide. Please have a look. Oh, some display screen on ground. Let's have a look. Yes, it's made by like you can stick on the glass. Look at its colors and the photos. It's transparent. Is it beautiful, right? Our factory can produce all kinds of LED display. Currently, all kinds of LED display screen we can produce, including film display. You can go through from the glass. You can stick the film display screen, and it's transparent. The big one is transparent. No, this one is not transparent. I will show the transparent display. It's a conventional display. This one is transparent. You can look through. You can look through the can. So we need our friends from all over the world come to our factory. We can offer you the cheapest price. Now this the back side of the LED. Okay? It's the back side and the front side. Let's have it. Okay. So today is Friday, June 14th. This is Anderson. I hope you enjoy my video, and let's have a look. I will take the video tomorrow. Okay, see you. Bye bye.